I'm Ken Kahneman with TBM Supply Chain and Technology Practices. You hear a lot today about Industry 4.0, IIoT, Manufacturing 4.0, you name it. So many companies have implemented Lean and have been doing Lean for many, many years. Unfortunately, when we talk to them, what we're finding out is that their productivity has plateaued, their quality has plateaued, and they're still experiencing variances in their processes. I'm here to tell you that the next evolution for taking your performance up a level or a notch is what we call Lean 4.0. What is Lean 4.0? It is about taking these concepts of Industry 4.0 and combining them with your Lean culture and activities. Think about it today. You've plateaued in your productivity, your quality performance, your on-time delivery, your variances, but there's more to be got. Now you can capture that by using data from your equipment, from your processes, combining that with some new analytical functionality, and really get to the issues that are driving the next level of performance. Businesses are thinking about this because this is the next level of improvement for your organizations. This is how you're going to get that next level of benefit by capturing that detailed information and actually finding waste and finding ways to address it. Start first with digitizing your daily management system. There's no need to have people walking around, writing numbers down, capturing information and typing it into systems. Second, understand what data you are capturing today from your equipment, if any. When you do that, start simple. Start with what are the things that are being tracked on the machine today. Speeds, temperature, pressures, those types of activities. From there, you can now take that from one or two pieces of equipment and start to grow across the organization. I like to call it prove and move. Level 2 is now getting into things like, what do we think are some of the parameters that we're not measuring today that we should be measuring? The benefits an executive could expect to see are very similar to the Lean benefits that you've gotten before. It's around productivity, it's around efficiencies, it's around cost per unit, it's around material variances, labor variances, things that are coming to your processes and impacting your profitability. So therefore, the net of this is improved profitability.